Hello everyone. So the next question is from the confined aquifer. You can see here a tube well of 20 centimeter diameter fully penetrates a horizontal homogeneous and isotropic confined aquifer of infinite horizontal extent. The aquifer is of 30 meter uniform thickness. So here you can see the diameter of the tube well is 20 centimeter and the aquifer thickness is 30 meter. Okay. A steady pumping at the rate of 40 liters per second from the well from a long time results in a steady drawdown of 4 meter at the well face. So here the discharge which we are getting is 40 liter per second and the steady drawdown the smallest which is 4 meter. The subsurface flow to the well due to pumping is steady, horizontal and Darcian and the radius of the influence of the well is 245 meter. So the capital R, the radius of influence is 245 meter and we see the Darcian law is valid here. So we have to calculate the hydraulic conductivity of the aquifer in meter per day. The unit is mentioned, so we have to convert the unit accordingly to calculate the value of the hydraulic conductivity. So now these are the important points which we have underlined. So we will be writing these first. So we can see here the diameter here is equal to 20 centimeter. That is, so we can calculate the radius small r will be 10 centimeter. That is 0.1 meter. Because we have to calculate the conductivity in meter per day, so we will be converting all the units in the meter and the time in the day. So this is the small r 0.1, the radius of the tube well, and the thickness of the aquifer B here, B is given as 30 meter and the discharge here is 40 liter per second. Steady drawdown of 4 meter. Although the question is very lengthy, but the question is very simple. You can easily calculate. We have to convert this into meter cube per day. Okay, so we will be converting later on. First we write down the values. So as the drawdown is here given is 4 meter and the radius of the influence, that is capital R, equal to 245 meter. Okay, these are the given quantities and we have to calculate the hydraulic conductivity in terms of meter per day. Okay, so these are the basic points we have to remember. First of all, we have to get all the concepts first and see whether what are the given quantities and what is the requirement, what is the unit, so that we can calculate the values very easily. So the formula to calculate the discharge is Q equal to 2.72 B Ks log base 10 R upon R. So this is the formula to calculate the discharge which we are getting through the tube well in the confined aquifer. Confined aquifer is also called as artesian aquifer. Okay. So now we can see these are the given quantities and this is the formula. So by putting all the values, we can easily calculate the unknown quantities, that is K. First of all, we should see the figure. Okay, this is the tube well and this is the drawdown curve. Okay, this is the drawdown curve and This is the B, and if we can say this is the H value, and this is the S drawn on value. So, and this is the radius, small r, and the capital R. So the tube well we calculate. This is the basically the concept behind this. This is the tube well, and this is the radius of the tube well. We have calculated in terms of radius, that is 1.1 meter, and the width of the confined aquifer here is 30 meter, and the discharge is 40 liter per second. So we must convert it into the meter cube per day. The 40 liter we can convert it into 40 divided by 1000. This will be converted into meter cube, and multiply by 24 into 62 into 62. We get the meter cube per day, and all are the other in the SI unit. So there is no issues. So now we will be calculating the values. So discharge is given. Discharge is given 40 liter per second. So we have to convert it into meter cube per day. So we know that in 1 meter cube there are 1000 liters. So we divide it by 1000, and it is given in seconds. So we have to convert it into day. So this is the discharge, and this is the value 2.72. The value of B is given is 30 meter. K we have to calculate, and S is given as 4 meter. Okay. So now log base 10, capital R is given 245, and this is 0.1. So this is these three zeros are cancelled out. Okay. So 24 into 6 divided by 2.72 into 30 into 4. Here that the decimal places we will be shifting it here. So into log base 10, 2450. So this is the value 4 6 ja 6 5 ja. Okay, so this is the value we have got, and now we can calculate through the calculator the value of the K. Okay, you can see here 24 into 6 into log base 10 2450. Okay, so this is 488, and divided by 2.72 divided by 5, it comes out to be 35.88. Okay, so the value of K is equal to 35.88 meter per day. So we can convert it into 36 meter per day in the integral values if we take. So this is the answer. So the concept is very simple. We have to focus on the diagram, the drawdown curve, and all the terms, which are the terms and which are the given values. So accordingly we can put the values, and we can get the result. Hopefully you have understood the concept. So thank you very much.